Introducing AMGO Personalized House Number Sign. Choose the perfect style for your home. Our house number signs come in two distinct options: floating for a modern 3D look or flush mount for a timeless classic feel. Design a house number sign that's truly yours. With a variety of colors to choose from, you can create a look that reflects your personal style, whether bold and bright or simple and elegant. Let your home's entrance make a statement with a unique touch that's all your own. It is time to replace your old house number sign. Ready to hang your new sign? Start by drilling 2 holes into your wall using the provided template as a guide. Next, take the expansion bolts and insert them through the mounting holes on the back of the plate. Gently hammer the bolts into the wall until they're flush with the surface. Lastly, use a screwdriver to tighten the screws, expanding the bolts within the wall for a secure hold. And there you have it. You've just given your home a fresh new look.